new shift knob for my Scion XD. This is 2013 version, but to be honest, I don't think that really matters unless the older ones have different thread size. This thread size is 12 by 1.25. So, but yeah. So this is the end product. I have it on here. But a simple installation. It's just twist on. So what comes with this? You got your little nut. Which is pretty handy because you want this. You can feel this little edge. You want this straight that way once you screw it on. Because then when you put the thread in, it will line up perfectly. But yeah, this is weighted. This is metal. This is really not that cheap actually. This was like almost 80 bucks. Because the 10-inch gave it another $10 more, but whatever. It's handmade. Everything's metal mainly. That's metal. The bottom is metal. Also handcrafted. There's like this dragon on there, like the serpent dragon looking thing. Looks so beast. But this is the round head, I think, for the 12 thread, or for this thread. It came with the round one, but there's another shape, so make sure you know your thread before you buy it. Also, there's more crafting on there, so that's pretty cool. But this is my 5-speed. Obviously, doesn't tell you, but by now you should probably know how many shifts you have or speed. But yeah, so screw on, and it will line up perfectly. Okay. So I'm just gonna go for a little around the neighborhood. So this has been a review of my new 10-inch Katana Shift Knob. Thank you.